Hello and welcome to this KardiaChain tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to deploy KRC721 tokens onto the KardiaChain Testnet. So the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to your browser and go to docs.kardiachain.io. You're going to scroll down, click on Tutorials, KRC721 tokens, and then deploy KRC721 tokens. Now the first thing we'll notice is that the documentation actually lists out two prerequisites. And so the first is to connect your MetaMask wallet to KardiaChain mainnet or testnet with the instructions found at this link. And the second is to have some Kai in your wallet in order to cover transaction fees. Now, if you're not sure or if you're unclear on how to do either of those, feel free to go back and watch our previous tutorial where we did cover them. Deploying a new KRC721 token can be done by using Remix and the ERC721 contract from the OpenZeppelin open source library. So the first thing we're going to want to do is go to remix.ethereum.org, and we're going to want to create a new contract called KRC721.sol and copy the code from the following sample. So we'll go ahead and hit copy, head over to remix.ethereum.org. Under contracts, we're going to go ahead and create a new file, and then paste the sample code. So in order to create a KRC721 contract, the first thing you're going to want to do is import these two libraries from the OpenZeppelin open source contract library. Now the contract name here is called game item, and it is extending the ERC721 URI storage. It is using counters in order to track the token IDs. Now the constructor itself basically just takes in the name of the game item as well as its token symbol. And the one function award item is basically sending the non-fungible token to this player address. So we're going to head over to the compile tab. We're going to ensure that our contract is selected, and then we're going to click on compile. Then we're going to head over to deploy. We're going to ensure that our environment is set to injected Web3 and that our account is the one being used. Once again, we want to verify that our contract is the one being selected, and we're going to click deploy. So MetaMask comes up. We will confirm the fees and click confirm. So at this point, we can see the contract has been deployed. We will expand this area here in order to see all the available functions. We'll click name. See the name of the item. We'll click symbol. See the item symbol. So we're going to go ahead and test out this award item function that we've written. And so it's basically asking for the player address and the token URI string. So let's go get our address. Copy it from over here, and then we'll paste it here. And if we go back to the KardiaChain docs, they've actually given us an example here that we can use. So we'll copy that, and we'll paste it here, and go ahead. Confirm that. And now we can see the transaction has been executed. And since we know that it is the first token to be distributed, we can actually look it up using token ID 0. And there's a JSON string. So that basically covers this short tutorial. If you liked it, please drop us a like or leave us a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.